Dear friends, this is my desktop and I'm just exploring Loom. So Loom, I don't know much, but it is a kind of recording setup. I have just downloaded it and installed it and I have started it. But now I would like to explore it. This video messaging for work. Record and share video messages of your screen, camera, or both faster than typing an email or meeting live. Free to use on Mac, Windows, Chrome. Wow, it's free. Free. So, how do screens? You can read that, sign up for Loom, Loom for education, download Loom and all that. So, I'm just exploring Loom and I'm making video in Loom. So, I think I would have done it in some other software because I am reviewing Loom and it would be kind of tough to uh, understand how to share the video message. So don't worry. Let me now the Loom video was stopped because I had to show you that how to share the video message in Loom, and this is my first time. I don't know anything, so I'm just exploring, and you can also do. I don't know anything about it, and so I'm just so. So this is the recorded video which has come here after. Uh, Immediately I stopped the Loom recording. It came here in this browser, Loom. So here Loom, and this is the video. Now I would like to see how to. So here there is a message, share your video. This is share your video. So I think we have to click here. There is something wrong. So I'm clicking on the share your video, but it seems to record a video first, then share. Yeah, we have recorded now. Video is here. Okay. From here we can share here. Dear okay, friends, yeah. This is my desktop and I'm just exploring Loom. So this is very confusing for the first time because I don't know much, but it is a kind of recording setup. Something is I've just happening on the screen, downloaded but I it don't and know what is installed it and I have started it. But now I clicked on share button, but there is some problem on the screen. I think I should refresh. Let me try refreshing this. It is taking much time. I don't know why. Maybe internet is slow. So it is getting refreshed now. Let's see what happens. I'm reviewing Loom video recording software in this video with you, and I'm reviewing like a fresher, like a layman. I did not study anything in advance. So I'm giving you real experience. So this is the video I recorded, and if I click on link, link is copied. Let me click on these three dots. Copy link, share, move, star, rename, duplicate, archive, download, delete. So we can download the video as well. Uh, so I have copied the link. Copied the link. Now let me open Notepad. I think the system is hanging due to the other software in which I am recording a video. That is the reason. So bear with me. You can fast forward because you are watching this live on YouTube, but I am right now making this video. System is kind of hanging. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to open Notepad where I can see the link which I have copied from Loom. Dear friends, this is my desktop, and so this is the link which I have got from Loom. I think it's nice, it's good, and then we can we can download we can download this video. So I'm downloading. Copy link, download video. I'm downloading because I have to upload it on YouTube so that you can watch it. You are already watching it, right? So I keep making videos so that many people can learn things easily. Uh, my my first Loom recording. That's it. I have downloaded it. Now I will try and open and see the quality of the video. That's gone. I have to downloads. Dear friends, this is my desktop. The video is opening. I'm just exploring Loom. So Loom, this is the quality of the much, but I recorded is a kind of recording. Quality looks nice. Setup. There is no issue with quality. I have just downloaded it and installed it, and I have started it. Fancy flowers. Now, I would like to. Loom gave me an option. Explore. This is just the recording, okay? So multiple things are happening now. Don't get confused. I'm closing it. Okay. The thing is that you can record your video, you can download your video, you can share the link of the video recorded. So it's pretty fast. It's pretty fast. Like the use of Loom is you are doing some procedure and you can record that procedure. You have your photo and video. You are explaining the things. It may be of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and that video gets uploaded automatically to Loom, and then from there you can just share the link. That's so easy. It's very useful, I think. Very useful. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and clicking on bell button so that you can keep getting notifications from Sunil Temsru, the founder of Chess Bazaar Digital Course. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.